Today we are talking about what do you need to know? And what you can expect in Tuberlandia. What no one is telling you. A road to be a YouTuber. I didn't know. So I make sure that when they're watching the video, I got to the point really quickly. Because I knew they didn't know who I was. I knew they didn't care. But I knew they came here for the information since they clicked the video. This for Ender resulted in people enjoying what they saw. Because I didn't waste their time. I gave them something very valuable for free. There are different types of things in life that all of us want: family, love, money, and of course time. For Ender, my favorite YouTuber is bringing you in terms of value. For example, if you've ever watched Tiempo Sabroso, she makes really great food and really awesome videos. In general, you can watch something really cool from her. And you don't need to pay anything. You can see a beautiful rainbow in Japan. Without been there, it is in time travel. But you don't need to pay anything.
Close-up hand signals brought to you by Learn Japanese with N14.
To Zach in Japan, his already did it. You didn't actually have to go to Oregon to see a bakery with delicious pastries.
Hola, no olvides suscribirte y activar la campanita de notificaciones para que sepas cuando subí nuevos videos. Gracias.
Realist can give you a tour, no matter what language you are speaking. She can give you the tour for free. You didn't actually have to fly to Dubai to see those wonderful in their Princess Joan do it for you. You don't need to travel from California to North Carolina to see places. Me and my kitchen make complete road trip compilation. From San Jose, California to Raleigh, North Carolina. You want to decorate your house. Carla C.R. Manualidades can show you how to do it. Like she edits things down to make. Want to see a different perspective in life? Just visit EN1GMA, like his name. With him, everything is an EN1GMA. All of this and more just here in Tuberlandia. But it is fantastic for the viewer. So that we actually get something. And we felt like we traveled. And we felt like we did something along with all these people, and they do it in their own time for you for free. They bring a lot of emotional value. They share their way of thinking and their personal life. And so it's all the good feels right. Because you get a different perspective. A new recipe, a planing trip. A new decoration or simple tour. And that's lovely, incredible. Because I see and do a lot of things. When I see all those videos from the commodity of my home, there's also value time. When you watch other people videos, you a really big impact on those channels. And for yourself, you are earning experience. And you let the community know about you. You can make all people around take care of you. When you are commenting, watching, or just simple giving a tip, if you care, they will care. You don't have to go out and spam in other people's channels. Make relations, make good comments, and ask for help in respectfully way, and you will be prosperous in Tuberlandia. Them for you. You will get a kind time. A value that there is for others. You need to start thinking and figuring out what you are going to offer in order to get valuable time spending on your videos. It is what you can offer. And what kind of value you have. That's gonna be where you can kind of find your starting point. I really recommend not looking to work with brands right away. Don't ask for donations or patron support. I see many doing that, but nobody knows you. Or they don't know what value you offer. I just really don't think that it's a great way to start a channel. To be in it for the brand deals. Or the money you can make. If you are going to do this, do it because you like it. Do it right with love and passion. Because you care about other people's value. I don't want to annoy you guys because I'm busy working on creative content. And I think the biggest one is that I'm not here to sell anything. When it comes to lighting and camera equipment, like I mentioned a lot before, people talk a lot about this. I think that I just want to give a simple tip. Just make a decision when you are ready. When you know that this is for you. When you are sure that is the right moment. You don't need to invest money or spend a lot sum of money in equipment or tools that you don't yet how to use it. Just concentrate on building a community around and what value you have to offer to that community. It comes to my mind that you don't need to worry about what camera or what lights you need to get where you want to be. You're gonna be just halting yourself before any of it's even begun. Pick what's within your budget. Work with natural lighting. If you have it. If you don't have natural lighting, invest in 1 or 2 ring lights. Don't doubt the power of 2 ring lights on both sides. I think that that's usually not really recommended, but it's a lot more luxurious looking in terms of lighting. If you can afford it, but of course, picking what's in your budget. Deciding what to do is really important. The lighting and camera is absolutely important. But it's kind of the least of your worries. Because we all know how to set up for a great video. At this point, there are so many videos where they're showing you exactly what they do to create some of the most fantastic lighting systems that I've ever seen. You can look over the immensity terrain of Tuberlandia and you will find some videos with excellent recommendation, but my main point, you only need a phone and the wish to make a video. The experience came with mistake, time and practice. Do what you really want. Do what is important to come up with your theme and your strategy and just execute. And decide on equipment when the times come. And make sure that that's not the center of your focus. Because this is really not as important as some people make it seem. Also understanding that the way that you light a video is going to create a different mood, but like I tell you, that come with the experience that came when you create action. Many will try to explain the thing to look some complicated in order for they to look more professional. So remember what I'm going to tell you. This is Tuberlandia, the land of video content creation, where everything is possible, where nobody knows exactly what you need to do. I really clearly understand that everything is based on psychology, in human psychology. On humans' emotions, so use that psychology and your emotions to move toward your goal. The feel of your videos definitely will communicate something. Definitely take into consideration the way that you express yourself. And if you're like me, you're super worried about every single video. You worry about what value you offer. Then if you offer some value, no matter how big or little it is, then you get time back to from the community. Mine community looks different as a lot of them. Because they are unique, no one is equal to each other. No one is similar, but that make us unique. Then your content will be unique. No matter if you are talking the same thing that some else is talking about. You are bringing your unique sense in the object. I do not have all the answers. But I think those are the things that nobody's talking about. And I think those are the things that are gonna get you a successful living in Tuberlandia. And for Ender, you will be a magnificent YouTuber channel. If you understand those from the get. I've only scratched the surface here. So if you guys want to see a series made, out of this social media advice? Please let me know in the comments below. And I also would love your name suggestions for these videos because I would love to be one of those YouTubers with a cute name for their advice videos. If we can help each one, we can build a standing community. I'd really appreciate your support. I love you guys. And I really appreciate if you rate this video positive or negative doesn't matter, come on. I just want to know what you thought of it. That's all for today, folks. And remember, practice makes the master. Keep learning. Believe in yourself. Set a goal that gets you excited. Then enjoy the learning process. You guys are awesome. Need advice on growing your YouTube channel? Want more views and subscribers? Then join our channel. We can grow together. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time.